Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. For today's video, I'm going to show you a different product I used to apply the eyeshadows because someone asked me if it's really necessary to use a primer or a concealer on your eyelids to apply eyeshadows. So today I'm going to show you how I did this look without using a concealer or a primer. And I share some tips and tricks on how you can achieve this look, and it's so easy. I literally only used two products to achieve this eyeshadow, and as you can see, I didn't apply fake eyelashes because I know most of you don't like to apply fake eyelashes, and this look looks really nice without fake eyelashes. And I feel like it's perfect. I loved it for the holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's that are around the corner. And you'll see right now how easy it is to complete this look. So I really hope you guys like it. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this little family and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos. And to give this video a thumbs up, please, if you did like this look. And now let's get started. Okay, so cleaning the bottom of my eyebrows it's something I always like to do, so I already did it, and I did use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, but you can see I cleaned the bottom of my eyebrows, but I didn't apply anything on my eyelid. You can see it's still a bit darker than the brow bone over here. You can still see the little veins, and it's still a little tiny bit greasy, so you can see that I obviously did not apply any concealer right there. So if you don't have a primer for your eyeshadows or a concealer that you can use as a primer for the eyeshadows, you can literally use any product that's creamy, either eyeliner or eyeshadow, like the eyeshadow sticks. Today I'm going to be using this eyeliner right here. This one's from Lancome and it's pretty creamy. So I'm going to apply this on my eyelid, and the reason why you need something that's creamy is so the eyeshadow you apply on top of that can really hold on to the eyelid, and anything that's creamy can blend out really nice. So it doesn't really matter the color of the creamy eyeshadow or eyeliner that you're using, just as long as it stays creamy when you're blending it out, just so it can be easy to blend out. And I'm only going to apply this on my eyelid first, and you can see that when I open my eyes, most of the product hides under my hooded eye. So I close my eyes, you can see like a lot more of the product, but on this eye over here it doesn't hide as much because I blend the eyeliner out a little bit higher than my crease. So if you have hooded eyes, you want to blend it out above the crease and not just leave it on the eyelid, especially if you're using dark eyeshadows, because your eye is going to look a lot smaller. So to blend it out, I'm going to grab some of the eyeliner with my finger and make sure I grab enough to help blend out the edges. Now with this, you can see that most of the product is on the very tip of my finger, and that's kind of an important step because I like to use the very tip of my finger to blend out the edges. So you can see that I put most of the product on my finger on my eyelid where I already have the product, but then only the tip of my finger touches the edge of the eyeliner, and then I just like swipe down. I do this very lightly because I don't want all of the product to go in just like 2 or 3 swipes. So I do it lightly so it can just like evenly spread out. And then if I just want to blend it out higher, then I just keep applying more of the product above the crease. And it does help a lot if I stretch my eyelid by lifting up my eyebrow, because you can see if I blend it out like this, it doesn't really help much because it just moves all around like my hooded eye, and it's very wrinkly, so I don't want that. You want to blend it out when it's nice and stretched out. It's just a lot better, easier, and faster. I'm going to grab this eyeshadow palette from SHEGLAM. It's called Stay Wild, and I'm going to grab this shimmery eyeshadow right here, again with my finger. And this part is going to be really easy. You just grab any shimmery or matte eyeshadow to apply on top of the creamy eyeliner or eyeshadow you applied right there. So I'm going to use this and apply it in tapping motions. And since it is a creamy eyeliner that I applied under it, it's gonna stand out and look really nice, and it's gonna hold on to the eyelid. Like, it's not gonna fade away or anything, so I just apply it like this all over the eyelid, and then again with my finger kind of blend out the edges. I don't want to go over the eyeliner the creamy eyeliner, because it's just gonna look weird if the shimmery eyeshadow passes the eyeliner. I just don't want that. So I'm just gonna go like this. And this is just with one application, and it's pretty good. It looks really cute. Now I'm applying the same eyeliner on my lower lash line, and I'm applying it as close to the roots of the eyelashes as I can. And then it's going to go from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner, making sure I connect it with the eyeshadow on the top, right on the outer corner. now that I have that, you can see the other eye that it's a lot more noticeable. It's blended out lower than this one right here. This one like barely has any, but I'm gonna leave it like this because when I blend it out, it's gonna move lower than this and it's gonna look exactly like this side over here. And if I apply the same amount of eyeliner like I have on this side right here to kind of make it look exactly like this side, and then I start blending the eyeliner out, it's gonna move a lot lower and it's gonna be like down here, and it's like not gonna look nice. Well, I don't like it. So to have it exactly like this, I'm just gonna have this much on my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna start blending it out, and I'm using a small brush. This one comes in the Rimmel eyeshadow palette, and it's better if you use a small brush because that area is really small. You just want to blend it out a little bit lower just to blend out the edges, and if you use a big brush, then that's gonna blend it out a lot lower. So it's better if you use a small brush, and you can see that it's already looking a lot better, and the eyeshadow moved lower, so it's looking the same as the other side. And then I don't know if you noticed, but this part right here is not blended out as much as the other eye over here. So what I did is when I finished blending out the lower lash line, I just moved the brush to my eyelid, or the edge of the eyeshadow that's on my eyelid, and then with a light hand I started blending out the edges, and I didn't grab any more product. Just I'm using whatever's left on the brush, and I'm just lightly blending out the edges, and you can see already a big difference. Now you can see on this eye right here, kind of looks very clean and it looks sharp like this, like if I cleaned it with a concealer. I didn't. What I did is just applied a bit of my Covergirl translucent powder with the Real Techniques sponge, and I just applied it right here, and this helped a lot to kind of clean up the eyeshadow under my eyes, and it made that edge sharp, which I loved. So you can use any translucent powder to do this. I'm just gonna leave it there for like 30 seconds, and then I'm just gonna remove it. It's gonna look really nice and sharp and a lot cleaner on my lower lash line. So I don't want this look to be too dramatic, so I'm skipping fake eyelashes and just applying mascara on my natural lashes. But if you want to apply your eyelashes, go right ahead, and then you're done with this look, and it's gonna look really nice. Perfect for the holidays, Christmas, Thanksgiving, New Year's, whatever. It looks really, really nice. But like I said, I don't want to apply fake eyelashes, so I'm just curling my lashes. And I'm applying my favorite mascara, which is the Maybelline Lash Stiletto. It's my #1 mascara. I use this often, so I highly recommend it. So I'm going to apply 2 layers of mascara on my top lashes and just 1 layer on my lower lashes. So I want to show you guys a few lipstick colors that you guys can wear with this look. I mean, literally any lip color would look really good with this makeup. It just depends on what you're going to wear, and then you choose a lipstick. But I'm going to show you guys just a few of my favorite lip colors that go with this look, especially for like Christmas or New Year's. Like I feel like this look is perfect for that because it's like elegant, not too dramatic, you know? I don't know. But my favorite lipstick for this look is the red one. It just looks a lot more elegant, like fierce, you know? So nice, and it's my favorite color, so I love it. Let me know in the comments below which one you liked best with this look and which one you would wear. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and your family if you did like this look. I really hope you did, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you all so much for your love and your support. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!